Hi everyone, welcome to another 3LS video. This time we're gonna do the unboxing and installation of the Benelli TRK 502 Sump guard. The package just arrived. I ordered this in AliExpress, so it took it didn't took that long considering it comes from China, but it took about 2 weeks to arrive, so which is not bad. And here we have it. Okay, so as you see here, TRK. Alright, so this is the protector that goes in the bottom of the bike. Mine is the TRK 502X, which already brings a very small protector, but it's really tiny. So I really think that a bigger protection for the bottom of the bike it's needed. Like comparing to the original one, I think the original one would be something like this only. So it wouldn't protect the filters, which this will, and a lot more around it. Other than that, inside the box it comes, I'm assuming it's all the remaining parts to fix this on the bike. Here, and there we go. So this is the front bar. So okay, so this goes on underneath the bike, and this one will go somewhere over here. There is these two supports here, which will go on the back of the Carter protection. Alright?
My dance make it hurt.